Hi, I'm Travis Courtney here at Carolina Beach Recreation Center, and I'm going to give you some tips to get you in shape and stay in shape. One thing you want to do first of all is consult a doctor to make sure you're ready to work out. After you do that, you want to get yourself some gear, probably maybe some sweatpants or some shorts to get yourself prepared to work out. First of all, if you're working out inside of a gymnasium, I'm going to give you some drills related to basketball that can get you in shape. One really popular drill is doing what's called a suicide. And what a suicide is you start from an inline, you run up, touch the free throw line, run back, touch the end line again. Then run up, touch the half court line, run back, touch the end line again. Do the same thing, go all the way down, touch the other free throw line, run back, touch the end line, and then go back down, touch the other baseline, and finish down here again at the end line. Now, if you're in shape, you want to do that in around 30 to 32 seconds if you're really in shape. But that's once you get to the point to where you actually can complete the exercise and get it to the point where you get your heart rate up and start sweating a little bit. Where you want to probably start out is, though, if you're not quite ready for suicides, because suicides can definitely be taxing, what you want to start out with is just simple laps. Take a few laps around the gym to get yourself warmed up. Maybe 3 to 4 laps around the gym when you start, and stretch, get that out the way. And then you want to continuously find other things that are going to keep you in shape constantly. There you have it, getting in shape.